Dear students, the next topic from linear equation in one variable is solving the equations which has variables on both the side. Example, I will explain you. See here. For example, if you have 2x is equals to x plus 1. So x is the variable, one variable which is on both the sides. So to solve this, what we can do? So we have to take all the variables on one side. That might be LHS, that might be RHS, like 2x. So you have x in the RHS. If you take it to LHS, it becomes minus x. So what is left here? 1. So 2x minus x is 1x is equals to 1. That is x is equals to 1. So this is how we have to solve the variables on the both the sides. Now let's go for the exercise 3.3. First problem, we have 3x is equals to 2x plus 18. So see here, first we have to compute with the variables. 3x is equals to, we have 2x after is equals to, so you take from RHS to LHS, that is 3x. When 2x comes to LHS, it becomes minus 2x is equals to 18. So 3x minus 2x is x. X is equals to 18. Second problem. 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. So first take the variables on one side, that is 5t. If you take this plus 3 to LHS, it becomes minus 3t minus 3 is equals to minus 5. In this step, we have done this. Now, 5t minus 3t is 2t minus 3 is equals to minus 5. So next, 2t minus 3 you send it to RHS, because we have constant in the RHS, you can send there. Minus 3 will become plus 3. So then 2t is equals to minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So now, as in the first exercise, we need to find the value of t. So t is equals to, how to remove this 2? By sending this to RHS. As it is in multiplication, when it goes to RHS, it becomes division. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So t is equals to minus 1. Okay. Next, the third problem. 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. So that implies 5x, you bring your minus plus 3x to LHS, it becomes minus 3x, and we have plus 9 is equals to 5. So now 5x minus 3x is equals to 2x plus 9 is equals to 5. 2x, first send your 9 to RHS, it becomes 5 minus 9. So 2x is equals to 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So x is equals to minus 4 divided by 2. because it is in multiplication. If you send it to RHS, it becomes denominator, that is division. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x is equals to -2. Okay. Next, the fourth problem. Fourth problem, I will give it as a homework for you because it is same as first three problems. Fifth problem. 2x minus 1 is equals to 14 minus x, which implies 2x. What you have to do? First take this variable to one side, that is LHS. Minus x becomes plus x, and we have -1 is equals to 14. 2x plus x is 3x, which is equals to -1 is equals to 14. So now 3x is equals to 14. -1, take it to RHS, it becomes +1. So 3x is equals to 15. X is equals to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. X is equals to 5. Next, sixth question. 8x plus 4 is equals to 3 of x minus 1 plus 7. So first thing in any equation, what we have to solve is brackets. So we have 8x plus 4 is equals to 3 into x, 3x, 3 into -1, -3 plus 7. Okay, then 8x plus 4 is equals to, solve this constant term first, that is 3x is 3x only, -3 plus 7 is plus 4. Now take your -3 to LHS, it becomes 8x minus 3x, we have plus 4 is equals to, after taking 3x to LHS, what is left? Just 4 is left here. So 8x minus 3x is 5x is equals to, send this plus 4 to RHS. So you have 4 here, and this 4, it becomes -4. Now 5x is equals to 4 minus 4 is 0. Then x is equals to 0 divided by 5. 0 by 5 is 0 by anything is 0. So x is equals to 0. So next, seventh question. X is equals to 4 by 5 x plus 10. X is equals to 4 by 5 of x plus 10. First, see, 4 by 5 is multiplication with the whole term x plus 10. So when in this such cases, you can take this denominator 5 to LHS. So from division it becomes multiplication. So we'll be having 5x is equals to 4 of x plus 10. Understand? As the whole term is in multiplication, or it is a 4 by 5 is common for x plus 5, you can take this denominator to LHS to make it multiplication. So now we have 5x is equals to 4 into x, bracket means the 4 should be multiplied with all the terms inside the bracket. 4 into x, 4x, plus 4 into 10, 40. Now bring your 4 to LHS. So 5x minus 4x is equals to 40. 5x minus 4x is x. X is equals to 40. Okay. And next question. The eighth question is, we have 2x plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. So here what we have to do is, we can solve this in many ways. Okay, but one way I will teach you that is, 7x is the larger number, 2x is the smaller number. So first let us take 2x by 3 onto RHS. So what is left here? Only 1. 1 is equals to 7x divided by 15 plus 3, and we have 2x by 3, so it becomes minus 2x by 3. Next, you can see that this is the values of x and x, but this is a constant term, and we have a constant here on LHS. So being your plus 3 to LHS, it becomes 1 minus 3 is equals to 7x divided by 15 minus 2x divided by 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2 is equals to, see, dear students, here the both the terms have different denominators. What we have to do? We have to take the LCM. LCM of 15 and 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 5 ones are 5. So 3 into 5 is equals to 15. The LCM is 15 for these two terms, right? So I will write this below here, making some space. Minus 2 is equals to, we got LCM as 15. So we have denominator 15, should numerator should be multiplied with 1. So in the denominator we have 3, with what we, if you multiply you get 15, it is into 5. Okay, so now multiply with the numerators. 7x into 1, 7x, minus 2x into 5, 10x. 2 5s are 10x. So now minus 2 is equals to 7x minus 7x minus 10x is minus 3x divided by 15. So now minus 2 is equals to, we have minus 3x divided by 15. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So we'll be having minus x divided by 5 here. Send this 5 to LHS. So minus 2 into 5 is equals to minus x. So minus 2 into 5, minus 10 is equals to minus x. So now multiply whole, because both the sides we have minus minus, you can cancel this or you can multiply whole with the minus. So minus into minus 10, 10, minus into minus x plus x. This way you can do, or you can cancel minus minus if you have single terms on both the sides. X is equals to 10. So next question, ninth. So we have 2y plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 divided by 3 minus y. Bring this term to LHS. So we'll be having 2y plus y plus 5 by 3 is equals to 26 by 3. 2y plus y is 3y. Okay, now send this plus 5 by 3 to RHS. You have 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 3y is equals to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Both have the same denominator. So LCM is 3 itself. So 26 minus 5, which gives 3y is equals to 21 by 3. So 3y is equals to 3. How much the 21? 3 ones are 3 sevens are 7. So y is equals to 7. Send this 3 which is in multiplication with y, it becomes division. So y is equals to 7 by 3. Next, the 10th problem. So the 10th problem here we have 3m is equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m 5m. 5m is bigger, so and it is also both are positive. I will take minus 3m to RHS. 5m minus 8 by 5 minus 3m. When you took this minus 3m to RHS, what is you left with? 0. Okay. So 0 is equals to 5m minus 3m is 2m minus 8 by 5. Now bring this minus 8 by 5 to LHS, it becomes plus 8 by 5 is equals to 2m. That implies 2m is equals to 8 divided by 5. Now m is equals to, send this 2 to RHS, it goes to denominator, 5 into 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 fours are. M is equals to 4 by 5. So this is your exercise 3.3 which completes here. So next we will be learning some applications of this. Okay. Write it in your notes, everyone. Okay, thank you.